name's Sharon and I've written Mavano in the Moorlands, and we're now in our third week. We had 1 week and we had a week off, and then we had a rehearsal week, and this is the third week. So I wasn't able to be here last week because I was doing other things, so that was a bit disappointing. But what I've seen, I did see a sort of run of 3/4 of it, and I thought the actors were wonderful, and Mannau doing a wonderful job. It is a really strange position to be in if you're an actor, because other things I've written, apart from Dreaming Amelia that I wrote for Hijinks some years ago, I'm always in them. So in a way you avoid some of the nerves and some of that feeling of sort of being out on a limb a bit. But it's a really interesting process, and I have learned so much.